हे कौनते अर्जुन, और निश्चय करके युद्ध करो। हतो वा प्राप्यसि स्वर्गम जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महिम तस्मात् उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृत निश्चय। Welcome to PPT News, your one-stop destination for the latest and most reliable updates from your city and district. We bring you breaking news, exclusive reports, and insightful stories that matter to you, delivered with accuracy and speed. From government initiatives to community events, PPT News ensures you stay informed about everything happening around you. Our mission is to salvage the bridge between the administration and the public, highlighting issues and celebrating achievements. PPT News connecting people, informing minds, and building trust. Stay with us to stay ahead. Financial assistance given to farmers and their families who lost their lives and lives in accident during agriculture work. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan distributed checks to the victim. Under the Chief Minister Kisan and Mazdoor Jeevan Suraksha Yojana, financial assistance was provided to the dependents of farmers who lost their lives and limbs in accident during agriculture work at the market committee office located in the local grain market. During this, MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan distributed checks to 10 people. He said that the common people are getting direct benefits of the scheme of the state government on the ground. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan attended the program organized under the chairmanship of Secretary Vijay Kumar on the Thursday at the market committee office as chief guest and distributed checks to 10 people who became victims of accidents during agriculture work. During this, the MLA said that many schemes are being run by the government for farmers. Among them is the Chief Minister Kisan and Mazdoor Jeevan Suraksha Yojana for farmers. He said that agriculture work is a risky work and accidents often occur in it, due to which farmers have to lose their lives and limbs. He said that this scheme has been started by the government to help the people affected by this accident. Under this scheme, this assistance amount was provided to the farmer families. Shyam Sundar, Jyoti Dhankar, Mohan Mandkaniya, Vinod Garg, Tejveer Sangwan present here on this occasion. People's problems are being resolved in Samadhan camp. Camps are being organized at district and subdivision level. People are getting benefited through the Samadhan camps being organized at the distributive and Badra subdivision level, and this is also helping in resolving their own problems on time. On the instructions of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, Samadhan camps are being organized every working day at the district level in Charkhi Dadri and at the subdivision level in Badda, where under the guidance of the Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, positive efforts are also being made to solve the problem of the people by listening to them. The complaint is getting relief due to the settlements of people's problem through these camps and do not have to make rounds. In this episode on Thursday, SDM Naveen Kumar heard the problems of the people in the Samadhan camp of Charkhi Dadri had given instruction to resolve them. He said that the officers should take the complaints received in the Samadhan camp seriously and ensure their prompt settlement. The government is constantly reviewing the resolution complaints received the Samadhan camps. The Chief Minister's office and the Chief Secretary's office are constantly monitoring the Samadhan camps through video conferencing. 40% subsidy will be available on institutional biogas plant. The News and Renewable Energy Department is giving a subsidy of 40% on stop institution biogas plants in cow shelters, institutions and dairies. Biogas plant will prove helpful in protecting and the environment from getting polluted in the preparing neutral for natural farming. Biogas can be used for cooking, heating water, domestic electricity generation, preparing feed for animals. Additional Deputy Commissioner Vishwajit Chaudhary said that the cow shelter institution and dairy operators can apply in the additional Deputy Commissioner office to set off international biogas plants. He said that this scheme is very beneficial for cow shelters, so maximum benefit should be taken as subsidy of cow shed. Thank you for staying with PPT News, where we bring you stories that matter. Stay tuned for more updates and let us stay content to build a better informed and engaged community. See you in the next bulletin. Till then, take care and keep supporting us. Bye, see ya, take care. आप अपना ख्याल रखिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. आदाब, सत श्री अकाल.